Hello everyone, in today's video we will learn how to create a second or third YouTube channel. This will allow us to manage multiple channels with different themes or topics. It's an excellent way to expand your content and reach a more diverse audience. Well, go to the YouTube homepage. On the left hand side menu, scroll down until you find the settings option. Click in the Open Your Accounts setting window. In the setting window, look for the option that says Add or Manage Channels. Click on this button to access the channel management. Once on the channel management page, you will find the option Create a Channel. Click on this button to start creating your new channel. In the pop-up window, enter the desired name for your new channel. You can choose a name related to the theme that this channel will address. Once you have entered the name, click on the Create button to create the channel. And there you have it. Your new YouTube channel has been created. Now you can start customizing it, adding content and managing it according to your needs. That's all for today, friends. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has provided you with the necessary tools to create a second or third channel on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more related content. See you in the next video.